Welcome to Passport Channel, your gateway to the world. And today we find ourselves in a city that needs little introduction, a city steeped in history, a melting pot of cultures, a global hub of art and commerce. Today, we explore London. From the winding banks of the River Thames to the bustling squares and verdant parks, London offers a tapestry of experiences waiting to be discovered. Join us as we journey through the heart of this iconic city, unveiling its hidden gems and iconic landmarks. Over the next few minutes, we will together embark on a visual journey to 5 must-visit destinations in London, places that encapsulate the spirit, the history, and the grandeur of this remarkable metropolis. Our first stop takes us to the grand halls of the British Museum, home to a staggering collection of artifacts and treasures spanning millennia. Imagine holding in your hand a piece of pottery dating back to the dawn of civilization, or gazing upon the Rosetta Stone, the very key that unlocked the secrets of Egyptian hieroglyphs. Here, within these walls, one can trace the footsteps of humanity, from the ancient civilizations of Egypt and Greece to the Roman Empire and beyond. Each exhibit, a window into a different time, a different culture, a testament to the enduring spirit of human creativity and ingenuity. Our journey continues to a site that has borne witness to the ebb and flow of power over centuries, the Tower of London. More than just a fortress, it has served as a royal palace, a prison, and even a zoo. Walk these grounds and you walk in the footsteps of kings and queens, of prisoners and revolutionaries. Within the tower's walls, marvel at the dazzling crown jewels, a symbol of the monarchy and a testament to the artistry of centuries past. These precious stones, each with its own story, have adorned the crowns of kings and queens for generations, a glittering reminder of the enduring power of tradition and legacy. Buckingham Palace, the residence of royalty. No trip to London is complete without a visit to Buckingham Palace, the official residence of the reigning monarch. Witness the pomp and ceremony of the changing of the guard, a spectacle that has captivated visitors for generations. The synchronized movements, the stoic expressions, the scarlet tunics and bearskin hats all speak to a tradition meticulously preserved, a living link to the past. As you stand before the palace gates, imagine the lives lived within its walls, the decisions made, the history shaped. Buckingham Palace is more than just a residence. It is a symbol of the United Kingdom, a beacon of continuity and tradition in an ever-changing world. The London Eye, a bird's-eye view of the city. From the ground, we ascend skyward, soaring above the city on the London Eye. Like a modern-day Ferris wheel reaching for the heavens, it offers unparalleled panoramic views of London's sprawling urban landscape. As you glide effortlessly upwards, the city unfolds beneath you like a map come to life. See the River Thames snaking its way through the city, its waters reflecting the sky above. Spot iconic landmarks like Big Ben and the Houses of Parliament, miniature versions of their grand selves from this lofty perspective. The London Eye offers a unique vantage point, a chance to appreciate the sheer scale and beauty of this bustling metropolis. The Houses of Parliament and Big Ben, symbols of democracy. Our final destination takes us to the heart of British democracy, the Palace of Westminster, home to the Houses of Parliament. This iconic building, with its neo-Gothic architecture and intricate details, stands as a testament to the enduring power of tradition and the importance of governance. And of course, no visit here would be complete without mentioning Big Ben, the great bell that chimes out the hours from the Elizabeth Tower. Its distinctive sound, a comforting constant in the bustling city, has become synonymous with London itself. The Houses of Parliament and Big Ben together represent the very essence of London, a city where history and modernity coexist, where tradition and progress go hand in hand. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows over the city, we bid farewell to this remarkable place, a place that has captivated hearts and minds for centuries. London, with its vibrant energy, its rich history, and its endless capacity to surprise and delight, will undoubtedly leave an indelible mark on all who visit. We've only scratched the surface of what London has to offer. From its world-class museums and theaters to its hidden alleyways and bustling markets, there's something for everyone in this extraordinary city. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the beauty of London, More stunning videos coming your way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned.